We're about to turn a 50-cent box of Jiffy Cornbread mix into a gourmet delight. Welcome to Cooking Couture Atlanta, where cooking is sexy. I'm your host, unapologetically Ardra, super sassy Sinette. Let's make it happen. Okay, we're about to put the whip on this Jiffy corn mix real quick, like. Okay, I'm about to show you how to really hook up some Jiffy corn muffins. Nothing like you have ever tasted before. I'm about to do it to you in your mouth. Hey, this is Ardra Sinette with Cooking Couture Atlanta. I'm about to hook up some Jiffy cornbread. Listen, take a box of Jiffy. It asks for 1 egg. Put that 1 egg in there. I like to put 2 eggs in. Whenever you do eggs, make sure they room temperature, butter, all of that. Don't put anything in there cold. That was 1/4 cup of butter. It asked for 1 egg, 1/3 cup of butter, and a pack of Jiffy mix. I put 1/3 cup of butter instead of milk. And then I'm going to put 1 shot, which is coming out to be 1 ounce, 2 ounces, I'm sorry, of Kahlua in there. And then I'm going to put a little, it's not even maybe a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. So I'm going to put some vanilla, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 cup of butter, 2 ounces of Kahlua, and an egg in my Jiffy mix. Then I'm going to mix it all up. This is going to be the bomb, I'm telling you. Mix it up till all of the lumps are out. I'm going to put it in this silicone pan so that they come out cute. I always like to try something different. I'm going to spray my silicone so that they don't stick. And then I'm going to bake. I'm going to bake for 15 to 20 minutes. And see, this is the color it is. These are going to go great with my kale. Did some kale in the pressure cooker. And I wanted some cornbread. Alright, so I'm going to put the Jiffy mix in these little bunts. Using different little molds makes it a lot of fun. Presentation is everything. Just evenly distribute the cornbread. You really can't mess it up. It's not going to fall. I'm just going to evenly put it into these little mini bunts to make it a lot of fun to eat, to accent it, plate decoration. It's just going to make it look good, and it's just going to make it taste even better. The little extra effort just means that you care and you love the people that you're cooking for. This is a lot of fun, and it's not so boring, and it gives me a little entertainment when I can see it. It makes me feel good, like I've accomplished something. This is cornbread the new way. This is so much fun. Just be adventurous, be creative. Think of something different and out of the box and shape your cornbread. Or put it in a pan and then use a cookie cutter mold to cut it out. That's fun. Okay, so it only took 15 minutes for these to cook. They're small. Okay, they just come out of the oven. Ah, it's hot. Let me see. I'm just so excited about tasting them and looking at them. I'm going to let them cool off. Okay, so this Buttery Kahlua Cornbread was a hit. It was just such a great idea. It just added a completely different dimension to cornbread. Thank you. Now, let's make it happen.